Welcome to the Project Gantt Chart. This view is for visualizing the project timeline in a simple and easy-to-understand manner. Here, we will see the start and end dates of each task, the assigned collaborators, and in the calendar view, we can see the progress and status of each task. If any dependencies have been established, we will see the connection via the arrows. We know that unexpected changes can happen at any time, so if this happens, it's easy to manage. Simply click on the task and slide it to the new date. Everything will be adjusted accordingly, and team members will be notified in real time of these changes.